Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a super quick, easy tutorial ghetto fab because I'm not doing like tabs to make the pocket, but is to make this cute little embellishment book with a 1-inch spine so that you could stick like shakers and stuff in there. If you guys saw my video, I will link it down below how I basically decorated this. And then I did go ahead and add this little Hobby Lobby charm and this little felty from Polite Creations. She sells these. It's so cute. I just put an eyelet in it and he dangles down the spine. So cute. So you're gonna need 2 pieces of paper, either scrap paper if they're big enough. So my album, I want it to be 5 inches tall. This is where you can change your measurement to however big. You can make it a 6-inch album, 6 inches tall, 7 inches, 8 inches. Mine, I'm doing a 5-inch. So on the short side, I'm going to cut it down to 5 inches, and then I'm going to rotate it to the long 11-inch side, and I'm going to skewer at 5 inches and 6 inches, and I am done with that piece. Super easy. My album, I did use 110-pound cardstock, but for the sake of this video, I'm just using regular green 65-pound weight cardstock. The next piece, I'm also going to cut this down to 5 inches. Again, if you do 6, 4, 3, you know, a tiny version and so forth. So I'm going to do 5 inches. And then on the 11-inch side, I'm going to bring it down and cut it to 10 3/4 of an inch. Just cut that little sliver off. And while it's still on this long side, I'm going to score at 3/8 of an inch. Rotate it because it doesn't line up when you try to score it over here. I don't know why. Again, at 3/8 of an inch. And then score at 5 3/8 of an inch. Like so. You can put your little scoreboard away. So you're going to fold down the center. So you're making a book. And then you're going to fold these pieces outward, flip it and do the same thing outward. So you can kind of get your bone folder and crease this if you'd like. Okay, so for this part, literally, like I said, I don't have little gussets and stuff. I'm just going to run a thin line of glue. I'm using my Barely Arts glue, but probably 1/8 of an inch wide of glue, just enough to grab. And then again, on this tab side, I'm going to do it on that side as well. So you're going to make an L of glue, like so. You're going to just fold it down. Make sure it's folded right. My first one, I folded it all wonky. Just going to crease it, make sure it gets all that glue. Before you start trying to pull it apart and stuff, just see that it's glue, that you glued your thing down right. I don't know what the issue is with me, but I cannot fold stuff directly on top of each other. It's always wonky and crooked. So as you can see right here, it starts even and then it gets crooked. It's probably the way I cut it. I just go in and cut it off if I can't line it up. You don't have to, but I do because it drives me nuts. Like, I will make this perfect. Okay, so here's the inside, a little bit of glue. Here's your 2 little flaps. Make sure that the pocket side open is on the top. And you are literally just gonna glue this, or you could use double-sided tape if you'd like. I'm just gonna do wet glue and glue this on down. And line it up at the top because it should fit exact because they're both 5 inches. And then center it with your... So now I have my little book. It opens up. It's got the front top pocket and the back side. So this is perfect for 4 embellishments. Okay, so there's your album. And if you want to go a step further, if you didn't use like pattern paper or whatever, the spine, the photo mat, you're going to need 1 piece. It is 7/8 of an inch by 4 7/8 of an inch, and you can go ahead and stitch that and put it on if you decide that you want to do stitching. And then for the fronts, middles, back, whatever, You're gonna need 6 pieces that measure 4 7/8 by 4 3/4. And it'll line up like so. Make sure that you have the 4 7/8 going up and down. So your pattern paper, your orientation. Yeah, so that is the quick little easy schmeezy peasy tutorial. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.